Well guys, I figured if any vehicle deserves a POV night drive, it's the new Cadillac Escalade. I've already posted a full review on this car, but I figured it'd be a good opportunity to show you guys the lights at night, the interior ambient lighting. Look at this thing, it looks like a limousine from the side. Another thing you can see down here is this little light for the kick that will pop the rear trunk. And I gotta give Cadillac credit, it actually works. So good on them. That's a pretty nice feature actually. Everything lights up when you approach it. Right here behind the front screens, you've got a Cadillac logo that illuminates. You're greeted by these illuminated side steps, lights in the door handles. Look at how this gauge cluster greets you. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Come on, there we go. Yes, so we've got some cool features we want to try out tonight. Over here we have an augmented reality camera, which is just a camera until you engage the GPS and route somewhere. So actually, you know what? Let's try that. Let's see if there's anything around here that might be interesting to go to. Let's just go to this point on the map. And we'll see what this augmented reality camera looks like at night. Hopefully this is a little bit easier to see than during the daytime. We also have night vision, which is just kind of a night vision camera. Pretty standard stuff. It's been in cars for quite a while. Mercedes-Benz had one back in the day, and I believe Cadillac has had one in the Escalade. We've got a reverse camera. It's not super impressive looking at night. Doesn't have the best clarity, but it'll get the job done. Also might be a little bit dirty. That's probably not helping. Again, for my full thoughts, you will want to check out my full review during the day. But let's take this thing for a drive and see what it's like in the dark. I mean, after all, this is what you want to roll up to the club in after hours. Front camera is pretty nice quality. You can see the augmented reality is showing arrows as you approach intersections, pointing you in the right direction. Letting the 6.2 liter V8 sing there. The headlights are very good. Nice and bright. We've got automatic high beams as well. That's pretty cool. You can see the night vision camera will show us all of the hot exhausts on vehicles. There are no pedestrians around here, so that's not really a feasible test, unfortunately. It's telling us to exit right here. I mean, this augmented reality isn't very impressive, to be honest, but it does give you kind of a little waypoint when you reach your destination, which is cool. We just passed it there. There we are, and it's even showing you on the map where that point is. So when you arrive at your destination, it'll show you what it will look like, which is kind of a nice feature. See the auto high beams kick on there. You can also select the map for this center gauge display. Oh yeah. And earlier in my last video, this Escalade had a lot of trouble with higher speed cornering. Yeah, the stability control was very invasive. Pretty much cut out any fun driving. The pre-collision warning came on. Yeah, right now I have no throttle. We're going 40 miles an hour on this entrance ramp. My foot is to the floor, and it's completely limiting me. That's no fun. Alright, well, as you can see, a different experience at night. There's some cool features, some neat little things to play with in this car. Some of them are gimmicky. The side step lights are really surprising. It kind of makes it look like a limousine. Yeah, interesting stuff. Definitely a more exciting vehicle to be in at night. We'll just keep this a quick drive and wrap things up there. But yeah, guys, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. We've got some pretty bright LED interior lighting here too. You can see in the back seat we've got a lot of space. See, we've got a Cadillac logo projected down there. Yeah, that LED strip light is really something. Alright guys, well either way, let me know your thoughts on the new Escalade. Yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Take care.